All right, welcome to our life in the Philippines. Today I'm going to take a little ride. Need to go and get some groceries and other things. And here we got the security. The military is no longer here. They were here a few days ago. I haven't really been out through the grate that much over the last 3 weeks. Prefer to stay put inside, or at least inside the barangay. We do go out. So I'm going to stop here and check out the bank. Got to get me some green stuff. So we'll do that and continue. All right, that was smooth. I'm surprised that this ATM is kept up, because they normally don't keep that one up. But I guess there's not a whole lot of people coming in there. All right. Anyway, the streets here are pretty empty compared to normal. But again, I'm surprised to see as many cars and motorcycles out as there is. It's actually a little more traffic. The first days of this quarantine, it was like totally empty, nobody out. Now it seems like everybody is coming out of their shell a little bit and driving around, going up and down the streets. All right, so I'm going to head up to SM Hypermart and check that out today. Would like to get some real coffee. Hard to find here in Philippines. Filipino stores that generally don't have any coffee that is acceptable to me. So Hypermart normally carries most of the stuff that we as foreigners like, at least an assortment that is good. Up here to the right we have the wholesaler of rice, where we have gotten rice, and past it right there, they're actually closed. What's going on there? Thursday closed at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. That's kind of strange. That's another thing I've seen here. That's a second ambulance since I got out. There was a couple of them going the other direction up towards St. Raphael that you see up here in the left-hand side. And we hear them frequently out there with sirens on, driving around. Here's St. Raphael on the left. And SM Hypermart is just a couple of 300 meters up the road on the left, and we're gonna go in there and check it out and see what's the story there today. That looks close to me. Really? Yep, it is shut down. It's closed. I'm wondering, it looks like the wholesaler of rice was closed. Hypermarket is closed. Alright, so let's head down to Yendra and check that out and see what's going on. Anyway guys, this video here is kind of the first motor vlog I do since the quarantine began. And normally, you know, you're not supposed to be out on the road. Today I do have a legitimate reason, because I do need to go to the grocery store. So I slapped the camera on my helmet. It's one of my cheaper cameras. We have rain in the air. I didn't want to take the other stuff out in case we get some rain here. Got to be careful. This one has a water casing. Here's another ambulance going up the street. But that looks more like a funeral. They use that sometimes. I'm gonna stop down here, just go by the market and see if they're open today, and see what the indications are here. What I was gonna say is Thursday, April 9, we are going to have our first live feed. Invite you as a subscriber to join us on our live feed. It will start at 7:30 p.m. April 9th, Thursday, Eastern Standard Time. That would be April 10 at 7:30 a.m. here in Manila locally. So we're going to try that. It's hard to find content when you're out, and or really hard to find content because you can't get out. So I'm gonna try to invite you guys, and we'll try that. Yeah, the market here seems to be open, so I'm wondering there what's going on with the grocery store. We'll find out once we get down to Genera here in Doe. But it's kind of weird, you being out. Everything is buttoned up. All the stalls are closed. No activities. Except the market today, apparently. It's the only one that is open. They shut down the traffic lights here too. They're not even using them. So here's Yandra to the left. So we're going to go in here and check that out and see. Looks like the parking lot actually is shut down, gated off. I wonder why. Yeah, it's totally blocked off. No people here. So nothing is open. That's strange. You think they would be open. It's Thursday. Granted, it is Easter weekend, so I suspect now that might have something to do with it, but we'll see. I'm going to ask this guy here, see what he said. Hey, is the Andoer closed? Is the Andoer closed? Yeah, closed. Yeah, closed. Why?
No, holiday. Saturday, holiday. So close to the agenda.
So they closed all the stores?
Monday.
Okay. All right. So now I start having a little understanding on why stores are closed. Let's head up to SNR and see if they're still closed as well. I don't know. Let's try. Yeah, it looks pretty dead here too. So Easter time, they close down. Whether you have a pandemic crisis going on or not, they're still closing down. So, all right, let's head to McDonald's and see. I want a large Big Mac meal.
They don't have Big Mac.
Huh?
They don't have Big Mac.
Okay, what do you got?
All the available are starter pouches. And the Belgian McDonald's chicken sandwich.
So no hamburgers at all.
Sir?
No hamburgers at all.
Only the lettuce steak.
I cannot hear you. Can you take the order at the window? I can't hear what you're saying.
Okay, sir. Waiting for this first.
So, what do you... How about the other McDonald's down there? I'm gonna go and check. All right, so that's another thing here. Apparently, they're starting to get sold out. I guess they don't get delivery in a normal fashion during this quarantine. I'd like to get me a Big Mac. No such thing in this McDonald's. I'm gonna run down to the other one there and see if they possibly have it, or I might run by Burger King. Burger King is right down the street here on the left, so I'm gonna run by there and see if they got something, or if they are even open. Who knows? This is what becomes difficult when you are under these circumstances. It's hard to find something that is really open. All right, let's see here. Yeah, that one is closed. It is shut down. It's amazing though. They are allowed to stay open for takeout and delivery, and they're completely shut down. There is nothing here. I don't understand that philosophy. You see a lot of motorcycle delivery guys out here. They got to be able to get some delivery from somewhere. All right, so let's go into this McDonald's here and check it out. At this point, I don't have my hopes up too much. I think it might be the same thing here, but we'll see. Come on now, move. Move. Let's go a little slower. I'm going to leave this video unedited. That way you can really see what's going on, how hard it is to find supply. Today is April 9. I believe April 9 is actually a holiday in Philippines. The Thursday before Good Friday. So that might have something to do with it. But hopefully it'll be back up open on Saturday, Sunday. Hopefully. I think it's strange that they actually shut down these things during a pandemic. If they do, and if they shut down for 4 days here, there'd be 4 days people have no way of going to any of the stores or get any supplies as far as groceries goes. But we'll see. Once this guy head out of the way so I can go get up and get my order done. So we'll see what they got here.
Yeah, hi. Do you have a McDo available?
Sir, can you repeat it, sir?
Huh?
Sorry? What's your order, sir?
I said, do you have a chicken McDo, two-piece chicken McDo available?
3 pieces chicken McDo, sir?
No, two-piece.
2-piece chicken McDo, sir?
Yes. In one piece, 6-piece nugget with just a nugget, 6-piece.
Okay, 6-piece nugget a la carte, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
just,
is your chicken spicy, sir?
the chicken should be spicy, nuggets no.
Okay, sir. What's your chips for chicken, sir?
Give me a Coke.
Coke, sir. Regular Coke.
Yeah. And then do you have a Big Mac?
Sorry, sir. Anything with lettuce is not available.
What do you have available?
We have quarter pounder, but we use regular bun, sir. And then double cheeseburger. Cheeseburger, crispy chicken sandwich,
The quarter pounder.
1 quarter pounder, sir.
Yeah. Give me a quarter pounder. That's fine. Large.
Large Coke, large fries, sir.
Yes.
Okay, anything else, sir?
Yeah. No. That should be it. No fries. No cheese on the burger.
No cheese on the quarter pounder, sir.
No cheese.
Okay, is that it, sir?
That's it.
Okay. Proceed to the first window, sir, for payment. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, so I ended up getting a quarter pounder, no Big Macs, the most popular burgers. They are out, so restocking is apparently a problem. Sometimes they have problems during normal situation with keeping stock, so I can understand that it's hard for them to keep it in stock when traffic is not flowing. I heard all the distributor trucks and companies, they're complaining because of all the checkpoints everywhere. So now they have slackened the checkpoints between intercity stuff. So I guess now they're basically just having harder control on province transits between the provinces and that kind of stuff. So that is part of the issue. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up. It was a little ride. Thank you for riding with me today, and I'm going to sign off here. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like or dislike if you want, thumbs up, thumbs down, and share it. God bless. Bye-bye. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.